Welcome back, guys. So in this episode, we're gonna go to the contact. The contact. Let me put this one. We have the contact table view. So we're gonna go there and customize it, and we will need a custom table view cell. So as you can see, let me uncomment this one and this one out. So you see this one table view cell for item at index path. So we have a cell over here. This is a default cell, UI table view cell, default cell. So we need to customize it. Since the contact is going to have is going to need a profile picture and the name of the user, the username. So we will need a custom table view cell so we can provide the profile picture and the username label. Let's go ahead real quick and create a custom UI table view cell. So let's go to Google Touch class, then go to next. Let's choose UI table view cell, actually, yeah, and call it contact table view cell, contact table view cell. So click next. Make sure the language is set to Swift, then click next. And save it to the project. We'll finish. Register a cell for the table view controller. So let's go table view dot register a cell. So as you can see, we need to register a cell class for the table view. I'm gonna hit the enter, and we need to put in the custom table view cell we created. So we have the contact table view cell dot self, and we need to also use a reusable identifier. The same string we're going to use for the table view cell here, we need to use the same for the table view cell over here. Let me go up here and create this. Let's reuse identifier is equal to reuse identifier. In fact, you can use anything, any name, as long as they are the same here and here. You guys, so now we need to cast this reuse as UI as contact table view, so the custom one we created. And here we have the number of sections. We're going to need only one section since it's going to be uniform, and we have a number of rows and section. For now, I'm going to make it maybe any random number like 100. So imagine you have 100. Alright, so profile image view. So UI image view. Let profile image equal to UI image view. Now return the profile image. So everything we customize in here will be returned and assigned to this profile picture. So let's customize a couple of stuff. We have profile image dot content mode is equal to scale aspect fill. Profile image dot clips to bound. Profile image dot image. I should set a default image so we can see there. Let me see, Barack Obama is there. Okay, Trump is here. Let's use Trump's image, profile image, picture as the default. Or we can use Obama, I think. Or three songs, yeah. Just to be get away from the political scene, no politics here. Alright, so Yeah, so this everything we've customized here will be returned to this profile image and assigned to this profile image view. One more thing, we need profile image dot translate auto resizing masking to constraint is equal to false. We need to do this because we are doing everything in code. We require to set it to false. Let's go to fine. Let's call this setup views this method and call it in layout view. So when the cell begins to layout it views, so layout views, then layout subview super layout subviews. Yeah. So when the cell begins to layout subview, then we call this setup views over there. So setup views. Yeah, like that. So now let's add the profile image to its subview. Add subview profile image view. Profile image view left. We're gonna constrain it to the left side of the cell. So constrain equals to cell the left and constant. We need to leave about 8 pixels space from the left. Profile image at the center. So I'm going to center it in the constraint in the cell. And cell dot center. I'm gonna have to also provide the width and the height. So we're gonna give it a width of 40. It's equal to true. Then profile image, the height constraint, a height of 40 as well. 40. So it equals to true. Yeah, we're good here. And let's use a name label. UI label. Now let label equals to UI label. Return my bad. Let's return the label. Label dot. Okay, so let's set a text equals to anything. I'll use my name Samuel Roxon. Then we're gonna need label dot translate auto resizing to false. And what else? I think that's good for now. The font size maybe. The font for the UI font, bold system font of 16 or 15 will be good. Yeah, let's also add this username label to the subviews. The cell.add subview. The self refers to this table view cell. Right. Constraint. So we're constraining it to the right side of the table view, then a constant. So -8. So -8 is for 8 from the right side of the screen. Because it shows username label that center. We need to also center it as well. But we need to center it according to the profile image views. Center, yeah. Username label dot left. So the left is also going to be from the profile image views right anchor. We probably should leave a constant space of 8 between them. It's active is equal to true. Then the last one we can do is the height. So height anchor constraint. We're going to select 30. 30 will be okay. I think we're good for now. So let's go to the table view real quick and set the table view height. So we need to give a height to the cell. So table view height. So we have the height for row at index path. So we need to return this. We need a CG float. All right. So we're gonna return CG float of. We're gonna return a CG float of 50 will do. Yeah, that'll be great. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna run this real quick and let's see what's gonna happen if everything goes well. Alright, so everything looks good now. Let's check this one. Okay. Yeah, it looks fine. I think yeah, everything, the profile image, the username, yeah, it looks great. So I'm gonna crop the edges of the profile picture so to look more prettier, and I also move it a little bit, like 15 pixels from the left, to make it a little bit more prettier. Okay, let's get to it. Clips 2 pounds already. Okay, let me go down there and also move it to the right about 15 pixels, so it will be a lot more prettier. I think the font could be like 14 would be great as well. Yeah, good. Let me run it real quick and see how it's gonna happen. Yeah, I think it looks prettier, yeah. So the edges have been cropped. The username looks fine. Okay, let me put a search bar up here so we can search through the contacts. We can even copy the search bar here and put it there right quick. Yeah, this is just easy because they basically do the same thing. Then call this one table view and table header view. Basically the search controller plus search bar. Yeah, I like that. Let me run it real quick. Command R or this play button up here. Alright, so let's see. Yeah, looks great. So there's a search bar up here. Everything looks fine now. Yep, this is good. So now we have the search completed. We have the content also completed. We come back to it and make it more dynamic.